Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Office is updated and then open Word. This prevents missing theme settings. Once done, sign into your Office account so theme changes sync across devices. Next, go straight to File and choose Options. This is where the Office theme lives. Make sure you're editing the correct profile if multiple accounts exist. By starting inside Options, you avoid distractions and can change personalization settings immediately. That's the first actionable step to swap. Now you'll change the theme itself. In Options under General, find Office Theme and select White or Colorful. White gives a classic light interface while colorful adds accent colors. Also set Office Background to None so there's no patterned header. Apply the change and click OK. The ribbon, backstage, and document canvas should update immediately. If part of the UI still appears dark, make sure Word is not using a high contrast or accessibility theme. Those can override your light selection. Finish by restarting Word to ensure all UI elements refresh. Sign out and back in if the theme didn't sync. Once restarted, verify the document background and ribbon are light. If you still see dark sections, check your operating system's theme. Windows or Mac OS dark mode can force apps to appear darker, so disable it or set app-specific preferences. If problems persist, update Office or run a quick repair. That fixes corrupted settings that block theme changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.